Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics, but not wasting time. Plug your Xbox Series X into Ethernet and test network settings. Run the built-in network test to see NAT type and UPnP status. This tells you what to change next. Make sure you record the Xbox IP and the router's LAN gateway. Those numbers are needed for static lease or port mapping. Once done, reboot the console and router so the new info registers, and keep the results visible for the next steps. Now, you log into the router and enable UPnP. This is the fastest fix because it lets the console request ports automatically. If UPnP is absent or unreliable, reserve a DHCP lease for your Xbox's MAC and switch to manual port forwarding. Enter the Xbox IP and forward the Xbox Live ports, TCP 3074, and common UDP ranges. This ensures the console receives inbound traffic for multiplayer. After saving settings, reboot the router again, then power cycle your Xbox so changes take full effect. You finish by verifying results in Xbox network settings. An open NAT is ideal, moderate can work. If NAT remains strict, check for double NAT, often caused by a carrier modem plus a separate router, so set the modem to bridge mode or place the Xbox in the router's DMZ to bypass conflicts. Make sure to restart modem, router, and console after each change. If problems persist, reset router settings to factory and reconfigure. That usually clears
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.